Hey guys, it's Beltrami from Properties, and it is freaking Friday. Guys, this week's Showcase Home of the Week is a new build. It's gorgeous. It's located at 1313 West 24th Street. It's Unit A. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1.5 bath, 2,119 square feet. Guys, it's a new build. It was built in 2018, but it's never been lived in. It's being brought to you by Holly Montalbano. She's with Natalie Glass Properties. Guys, she's having her open house this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, from 12 to 6. This is a beautiful house, great community. Come check it out. Let's walk this house. So you come into this home and you're on the first floor. You have stairs that are taking you up to the second floor. You have this room here on the first floor. You can have it as a bedroom or as an office, even a workout room if you want. Here's a really nice large closet, plenty of shelving, and then this bedroom has its own private bathroom with a shower tub combo. So you come up to the second floor, you have the beautiful wood floors continue up to the second floor. You have this gorgeous open concept with the large middle island with a sink, and then you have the beautiful tile backsplash. You have all of the cabinets going to the ceiling. You have a 6-burner cooktop that even has a griddle for the top. You have the microwave here, and then you also have the dishwasher. You have a large pantry with plenty of shelving, and then a half bath off from that. Then you come up to the top of the stairs. You have your second bedroom. Carpeting is up here on the second floor. Again, you have its own private bathroom with a tub combo, and then you also have a walk-in closet. Then you walk down the hallway, you pass the laundry room, and then you come into the master bedroom. High ceilings, tons of light, and then you have this beautiful bathroom with double sinks, all the built-ins. You have the soaker tub, and then you have the walk-in shower, and then you have this large closet as well with tons of storage. Hey guys, so what do you think about this house? Isn't it beautiful? Great community, beautiful home with tons of upgrades. Come check it out this weekend, Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 6 during Holly's open house. And guys, if you'd like to see this home or any other additional homes, my information's at the end of this video. And don't forget about the interactive map that you can click on below showing you this house and other open houses in the Heights and the surrounding area. And I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.